Let me go back in time to 2007 2008. At that time, the abandonment rates of treatment in Tata Memorial Center for pediatric patients was as high as 25%. So, which means that 25% of the families would travel thousands of kilometers, and then they would either refuse treatment or many would initiate and abandon treatment. And we reached out to 300 families at that time to understand the reasons for abandonment. And lack of accommodation was one of the key reasons why families refused to take treatment. And over the years, having safe and secure housing from St. Jude has been a very, very important, add on to the services that we are providing. And also, it's not just about the housing. St. Jude is actually playing a much larger role. So, motivating the families, making them aware of what they have traveled for, making them aware of the cancer journey and what the expectations will be for the next many, many months. Teaching them about the hygiene, teaching them about, infections, teaching them about timely coming to the hospital and adhering to all the treatment modalities which are prescribed by the doctors, taking care of their nutrition, and also the mental health of the entire family. I don't think we are two different organizations. I think that Tata Memorial Center and St. Jude India Child Care Center, we work hand in hand to ensure that each and every child coming to the hospital gets timely treatment and quality treatment. So I've seen the growth of St. Jude over the past many years, and initially when the first center started in Mumbai, it was a little away from the hospital, and parents needed shuttle services to reach the center. After that, the centers increased. When the old ACTRAC facility happened and came about, it was in the same premises. So that has an added advantage, because then the child is in the house the whole day and just comes to the building where he or she needs treatment. So this is again raising the bar of this whole, the whole comprehensive treatment that the child is receiving. We are absolutely looking forward to this Kharghar facility which is coming up, because it's going to be a bigger facility. It's in the same premises as our hospital. So parents actually will have a lot of convenience, and our numbers over the years have also risen. Earlier we used to see 700, 800 children way back in 2007, 2008. In 2024 itself, we have seen almost 2,400 newly diagnosed cases in Mumbai alone. And if we take all our TMC centers, we are getting almost 4,500 newly diagnosed cases of childhood cancer. So with the rising numbers of children coming to the hospital for treatment, we need more and more beds, and St. Jude is just the right solution for all of this. So we really want that everywhere Tata Memorial Center goes, St. Jude should be there, very close to the hospital, providing a home away from home.